I'm going to show you how to write undetectable AI content for your website. This article will have a table of contents, images, videos, tweetable quotes, and more. I'll also show you the optimization tool, talk about what I like, don't like, and my overall opinion. I'll also test it in the most strict AI content detector to see if it passes. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to write an article for free using Texta. Texta is an AI writer that helps you generate high quality SEO optimized content. Here's a few of the features: text to video conversion, AI avatars, localization, and automated workflow integration. Here I'm scrolling through the library of templates, and as you can see, it has a lot of templates that you can choose from for generating AI content for pretty much any use case. Here I'm going to show you the blog writer, and we're going to generate a long form article for my website. Just enter in the description of the content you want, and then you can select a tone. It also has many different people you can choose for the tone, like Tupac, Morgan Freeman, 50 Cent, Steve Jobs, Eminem, and more. You can also choose an article type like how to, listicle, curated, and more. Then just click generate article, and here's your article. So this is a good looking article. It has a nice featured image here at the top, and this image was pulled from Pexels, copyright free. It also has a table of contents for my article. Here's a nice introduction. And this article contains some good information I can see. Here it has a call to action, so I can add my own link here for someone to sign up for my newsletter. Here it has some more information and some tips. Then here it includes a YouTube video that's been embedded within the article. Here it has a tweetable quote, so I can add my own link, and then people can click this to tweet this quote from my website. I'm gonna keep scrolling so you can see the quality of this article. Here's a good image, and this is from Google Images. Here's another video, it's embedded from YouTube. And here's some more tips. So this is a really good looking article, and I'm just gonna scroll through some more so you can see it. I think this is a good image. I don't really like the quote at the bottom of it, but I think this would be fine for a website. Here's another call to action, and this one has 2 buttons. And then we have the conclusion. And then here's the optimization tool. So right now it's giving my article a 64 out of 100. It has the readability, and then it has some information about it. How many words? So it's just under 1,200 words, paragraphs, headings, images. And then so I can click here on metadata, and it'll generate a title and a description for me. So I can just click generate on both of these. And here it's generated a title. And the title is a little long, but it also includes a spot for branding. And then here's the description. The description's also long. It's 219 characters, so that's too long for the search engine results pages. Now that I've generated a title and description, it gives me an 88 out of 100. It also has options for me to generate newsletter content or social media content for this post. So I'm going to take this article and I'm going to put it through the AI content detector. Scriber says there's 0% chance that this text was generated by AI. Let's try another one. Content detector says this is likely human, with a 41% chance that this was written by AI. So this is a passing result for this test. This is an average AI content detector, and it only has a few images that have been highlighted as possibly being AI. So let's try the most strict AI content detector and see how it performs. Content at scale says this content passes as human. This is the most strict AI content detector. So that means this content is really good and it's really undetectable, because out of 3, it says that it's human written. So here it has a few sentences that have been highlighted as possibly being robotic, but the majority of it is human written content. Let's get into the pros and cons of Texta and my overall opinion. Here's the pros. It writes really good content with images, tweet quotes, videos, call to actions, table of content, and more. The writing passed all of the AI content detectors, even the most difficult one as human written content. You can use the bulk article generator to create many of these high quality articles to fill out your website with content. It has a large library of templates for many different use cases, including long form content. Here's the cons. It doesn't show any keyword research or an outline before writing the article, which is good if you want to save time, but I like to see the keyword research and the outline first. The SEO optimization tool doesn't include any recommended keywords for optimization after the article's been written. Overall, Texta writes high quality, undetectable AI content, complete with images, videos, and more. You can even bulk generate these great articles for your website. Click the link in the description to write an article for free using Texta. Check out these other videos for more AI software you should be using.